Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
Enforcement Directorate has issued a notice to Robert Vadra-owned Skylight Hospitality, one of the 7 companies involved in the Bikaner land deal case. Skylight Hospitality has been asked to hand over the documents related to the land deal. However, no response has come in so far from Robert Vadra's team after Enforcement Directorate's step. Prema Sridevi is live with us on this. Prema, this is a big development in terms of ED now serving this notice to Robert Vadra. What do you make of this? What exactly has been said in that notice, and how is Robert Vadra accountable this time around?
Well, in fact, the Enforcement Directorate has issued notices to Skylight Hospitality, which is Robert Vadra-owned company in the Bikaner land scam. The Enforcement Directorate has basically asked Skylight Hospitality to furnish all documents relating to the Bikaner land scam, and the deadline which the Enforcement Directorate has given to Skylight Hospitality is June 24th. Now, it remains to be seen whether the directors on board of Skylight is going to be summoned or not post June 24th. Whether Robert Vadra would be summoned or not, that remains to be seen. But as far as the ED is concerned, the allegations in the Bikaner land scam is that 1,400 acres of government land was acquired and it was sold off to 7 companies. And one of these companies is Skylight Hospitality. ED officials have been telling us that these companies had bought off these the property, that is the government land, at very cheap rate, and there was private enrichment here, and huge amounts of money was laundered in this case. As far as Skylight Hospitality is concerned, ED officials have been telling us that Skylight Hospitality had purchased 7 acres of this land and they had sold it off for 5 crore rupees. They had purchased this at the rate of 72 lakh rupees. Now that the ED has issued a summons to Skylight Hospitality, it remains to be seen what Skylight Hospitality is actually going to do, whether they would answer the summons, and following that whether Robert Vadra would be questioned. That is the big question.
Yes, but wouldn't Skylight Industries be actually now, Prema, bound to furnish those documents, because there can be no evading this kind of a notice, isn't it?
Well, exactly. Enforcement Directorate has given a deadline of June 24th for Skylight Hospitality to respond. In fact, the ED has basically asked Skylight Hospitality to furnish all documents relating to the Bikaner land scam. As I already told you, it is a 1,400 acre of government land that we are talking about, which was bought by forging documents. Earlier, if you remember, the ED had conducted several raids in various places in Rajasthan, and a private individual called Jai Prakash Bagadwa was also raided. Now, he is believed to be the key man who had acquired this government land, who had bought this government land using forged documents, and then he sold it off to various private companies, including Robert Vadra's company. Now that the Skylight Hospitality has been asked to furnish documents, it remains to be seen whether they will answer the summons, and following that what really would happen, whether the directors on board of this company would be summoned, whether Robert Vadra would be questioned. All this really needs to be seen.